Hey, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. This video, as you probably know from the title, is me painting a Father's Day card for my dad as it is Father's Day. So I have basically nothing more to say apart from don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So let's get right on with the video. So for this Father's Day card, I just decided to do lots of leaves around the border of my page using my watercolours. So for this, I just mixed loads of different shades of green, and then I did stems, lots of different stems in different shades coming from the outside of the page, as you will see. And as you can see now, some of the stems I did right at the very beginning have started to dry. I went over and did some more stems, like overlapping them, because I think it looks really good when there's like a darker shade and there's also like a lighter shade of a different stem overlapping it. As you can see, I did that a lot in this card. So now that I've finished painting all of my leaves onto this card, I'm going to leave it to dry and then move on to the next stage. So now after my card has dried, I'm just going to go on with my Fineliner. I think I used a 0.5 sized Fineliner and I just wrote Happy Father's Day in a cursive font. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed and thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.